Looking through the royal blue framed glass windows of Rooh, you're almost sure you've discovered a newly opened bar in Chicago. Well, that's if you happen to miss the words Progressive Indian stamped on the glass, declaring a firm commitment that this newest addition to the popular restaurant row on Randolph Street is serving cuisine that is anything but traditional.
Progressive Indian food where we are mixing both best of both, and I think that's the future. So we want to break that barrier, and we want to be, known as one of the best restaurants in the city or in the country, not one of the best Indian restaurants.
On an early Sunday evening, the first floor dominated by a bar is packed with a mix of young families dining and friends coming together for a drink. Sujan Sarkar, executive chef, shares Rooh's 2 floors can accommodate as much as 200 guests on a busy night, where upstairs is an elegantly decorated dining area meant for bigger parties. The luxuriously modern interior impresses, matched with a myriad of flavors from the different regions of India, the use of fresh local ingredients, modern cooking techniques, and its elegant presentations.
I used to run modern European and French restaurant there. I didn't cook that much of Indian food there. Of course, I used to do pop-ups, Indian pop-ups. Then I went back to India, worked there for 2-3 years to understand in-depth Indian flavors and how things work. So that's why our menu, you will see, it's not the dishes from any particular region, it's from different parts of India. So that's why our food is more diverse.
The menu offers a generous selection of small plates for appetizers or dinner tapas style. The green pea and goat cheese pulcha, that is stuffed flatbread with summer truffle shavings, is simple yet rich. It's a staple starter to be enjoyed by all. Other delicious dishes include avocado and edamame papdi chat, a lovely light salad with the perfect balance of crunch, creaminess, and acidity, Kashmiri lamb ribs coated in apricot and chili marmalade, and cauliflower koliwada with homemade spiced chickpea batter deep fried and tossed in peanut chutney with curd rice mousse. Guests can also opt to dine in family style, sharing large plate offerings such as lamb shank nihari and my favorite, whole sea bass stuffed with green peas, cilantro, and poppy seeds baked in banana leaves. Light Bengal mustard cream is poured onto it right before serving. Chef Sujan also elevates a popular dish in Indian menus, traditional butter chicken in red pepper makhani, with generous chicken cutlets sprinkled with fenugreek and butter powder. The sides, saffron rice, garlic naan, and the traditional black dairy dal, which takes 2 days to prepare, are a must-have to complete your meal. Our party is expected of Filipinos' favored meat dishes, but there is no shortage of options for vegans too. You will likely be nearly full after dinner, but don't skip desserts. The besan barfi topped with chocolate cremeux and hazelnuts, paired with milk ice cream and toasted rice granola reminiscent of our very own pinipig, exquisitely melts in your mouth. The ferny mousse, a cashew cake that is crunchy and chewy at the same time, is complemented with tanday ice cream and wild rice wafers, so all the savory sweet goodness goes down smooth.
This is Indian, but it's much more wider version of Indian food. That's why it's regional Indian, done it in a much more modern way with a lot more ingredients. That's why we are different.
One commonality is a notable lightness of the dishes, veering away from the heavy emulsification of oils and sauces that everyone is accustomed to in Asian dishes. This may be a welcome change as people are generally progressing towards healthier choices with their diet, but it could be seen as lacking. Overall, true to its name, Rooh brings the spirit of India to Chicago through a delicate balance of authentic Indian flavors with a subtle hint of modern gastronomy to appeal to all of our senses.
More and more this kind of restaurant will come up in future, that's what I believe. Cooking is a little complex. Each and every sauce, gravy, got different flavor. It takes really long time to cook. Then we refine the sauce, so it takes a little longer, but whatever you're eating here is freshly cooked, everything cooked in house. You have to try, and then we'll be convinced.
Rooh is located at 738 West Randolph Street in Chicago and is open Tuesday to Thursday from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m., Friday and Saturday from 5 p.m. to 11 p.m., and Sunday from 5 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. 4 months since they opened in May, reservations are still booked 2 weeks out during weekends, so book ahead. For more information, visit www.roohchicago.com. Visit Rooh, and you've got our details flashing in our screen too. Again, this is your host, Noelle Capelona, signing off from Chicago, Philippine Sports TV.